Okay, I think, yeah, I'm recording now. All right, I just did a whole video and I didn't record. Anyways, hey everybody, how's it going? I just did a new program. I'm just going to show you real quick. It's a unique mouse cursor where I draw like 1500 points on the screen, and then I compute where the mouse cursor is, and then I find the 10 nearest points, and I draw lines from the mouse cursor to those points. So anyways, it kind of looks like a little spider crawling across the screen. So I guess I can show you the code really quickly that I was doing here. Here's the program that I used. That you're I've done a video with this program. Okay, so here's the 1500 points. I set the cursor color here. I use a color similar to the Minecraft diamond. Then I change, while I'm drawing the 1500 points, the first 20, we're also drawing points for lines. Then here's where the magic of the cursor happens, right here. So I use an array called already drawn. They're unsigned integers. Those keep track of the indices of the points that I calculate as the nearest, because each time I find the nearest in the 1500, I have to somehow eliminate the nearest one each one that I find up to the 10th one. Otherwise, the first one's just going to keep being the nearest one. So I set the nearest point, floating point here to 1000, and here's the mouse cursor, and then I loop through all 1500 points. I set a float equal to the check distance, which is the distance between the mouse cursor and the point that we're currently considering. If that point is less than the calculated nearest point so far in the 1500, as this goes through the loop, then we enter this funky little section here, which we start out with a boolean freshly initialized to false. Already used equals false. So in other words, we don't know whether it's been used or not. And then if we've already used the point, we will find it in the already drawn array. So what happens is we search through from 0 to I, which is the number of points that we're looping through for our nearest points. And so the first time this is going to be 0, next it's going to be 1, and it's going to loop through 1, 2, it's going to loop through 2, all the way to the 10th nearest point. So as we're looping through these, this already used goes from false to true if the index of the point is found in the array. And then we break out, and then if it's not already used, so we went through all 1500, and then it's not already used, wait, 1500, each point, yeah, so anyways, if it's not already used, then we set the nearest point equal to check distance, and then we set the already drawn, the next indices, in the next index number in that array to the current point that we're considering. And then finally, once we're out of that loop, then we're still back in this loop again, but we want to declare that the very next point in our line list is equal to the point that we just figured out was the nearest, and then the next one is the mouse center, which is what gives us this neat little spidery guy that crawls across your screen like this, because yeah. I was amazed it worked. I didn't think I actually had the algorithm just right just yet because of that already drawn array and stuff like that. But no, it worked pretty good. So anyways, thanks for watching. You can see in the video description here, you can follow me on Twitter. You can sign up for my email list on my website, which is a simple give me your name and email and click submit. And you will be abreast of all the releases in the future that are coming with the Steam releases, my Steam page. Java G Games is going to start producing video games. We're going to start with a space trader. I should be working on the GUI, but instead I had this in my brain, so it just came out and I started to work on it. So, alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope this inspires or helps somebody. Thanks. Bye. At least I have audio.